I'm recording this on Wednesday, October 1st, about 12:30 in the afternoon, standing approximately 3 feet away from the camera while it's recording. In the foreground you can see my waterfall. You should be able to hear the water gurgling as it flows over the fall. In the background you can hear the noise from the Beltline and John Nolan Drive. There's kind of a drone in the background. It's also audible sometimes, so you can hear the backing up of construction equipment over at the Alliant Energy Center. I don't hear any right now. But mainly just wanted to record this to get a sound of a normal speaking voice 3 feet from the camera, so you can get an idea of that sound level compared to other recordings I've done. So anyway, nice sunny day. It's gonna rain later, so better try to enjoy it.